almost done. Yeah. I'm the one who built this village. This one's not helping me. This vlog is all about setting up Chue Meng Christmas Village. So, this is the table that we're gonna use. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click here to subscribe. It's so bad.
Hurry up, move it. Come on.
It's so bad.
Yes, hurry it up.
No?
Hurry it up.
Bad.
Hurry
I'm
it up.
only one here.
Hurry up, it's too slow.
What?
Move it. So you know what it feels like?
Oh, it's happy though.
Yep, but very fragile. You drop it, it's probably gonna break. Yep. The light bulb in there. So later on we have everything in place. We can see, you abusive. She's abusive to me. She's abusive to me.
No, it's not.
That's gonna go on documents.
I'm just being sweet.
That's gonna go on record.
With the bell closed on.
Lighthouse. Show to the camera, look. Which village is that?
Which building is that?
Which building?
That's the toy store.
Oh, so.
Toy store. That one's the pretty one because it changes colors.
Ooh.
When I plug it in. What?
I'm gonna get the empty books. So, putting the lights inside the village. Yeah.
The toy store. Tin Soldier. Yep, Tin Soldier's Toy Line.
Okay.
Yeah. Not in portions of those.
See, you're so bossy. You're so bossy.
I'm bossy.
Say. It's so cute. Fish naman.
This is where the water is. No, like houses. Near the water comes
So, how many years you built this village?
Been doing the village?
Yeah, doing this village.
I
How many years?
have no idea. I was really young. Must have been. Let me think.
Ooh, you not skip? It's every year?
Yep, every year.
Nice.
There were some years where I would just maybe set up only like a couple buildings. I think only 2 years I did that. But though, besides that, every other year I'd set up all of them as much as I can.
Ooh.
Probably, I would say maybe I was 6 or 7 the first building. So that meant I would have been about,
No skipping year?
yeah, no skipping.
Oh.
Probably about what, 20,
6
25
years? Oh,
years? 25 years?
25 years. Ooh. Oh, nice. Very good, my love.
There were years where, like I said, I only maybe put up maybe a couple buildings as a simple, quick business.
Yeah,
plan,
yeah.
But I never really skipped a year,
Uh-huh.
at least to my memory.
Oh. The fake snow. So, what is the more? Oh, plastic. Okay. So I'm almost done. So here. Yeah, we're almost done. Yay, Digital Village. Look at it. Hello. Yay! That's in the video. Yay, we're done.
Yep, village is set up.